Hi everyone, today we are going to make masala idli. For this recipe, we have already made 6 idlis here. Cut these idlis into small pieces. Now in a wok, warm 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Here we are using already cooked mustard oil on high flame. Now add half teaspoon mustard seeds and 8 to 10 curry leaves. Cook it for a minute on low flame. Now add 2 dicely cut onions and cook it till they turn golden brown in color on high flame. Now add 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and cook it for a minute on low flame. If you don't know how to make idli, the link for the video is given in the description box. The link is from our Hindi YouTube channel. You can check it out as well. Now add 1 dicely cut capsicum and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now add 1 cup lengthwise cut cabbage and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now add 1 finely chopped tomato and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now it's time to add some spices on low flame. So add just half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon black pepper powder and mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon red chilli sauce and 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup and mix it well. Our masala is ready, so let's add all the idlis into it and mix it well. If you are a Hindi viewer, the channel for Hindi viewer is up and running. The link is in the description box. You can check it out if you want to. Your masala idli is ready to serve. Do try this delicious, healthy and light recipe at home and tell us about it in the comment section. If you like the video, like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.